Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's Workshop. Today we're going to devote 12 hours to remodeling the barn and see how much we can get done. So I'm in the garage portion of my barn right now, and it has come a long way from where it was when we bought the place, but it is still a mess. I've been wanting to fix it up nicer since I put the lift in. I'm starting to get some nicer things out here. I'm wanting to clean it up and make it to a nice workshop. But it costs a lot of money, it's going to take a lot of time, and it was just an overwhelming task. Well, I decided that I'm going to break it up into small chunks and focus on one wall at a time. And this week, I'm focusing on this wall right back here. Now, I'm devoting one day to this, approximately 12 hours, and my goal is to get a new wall framed up there, get it insulated, get it sheeted, get all the electrical ran in it, and get it painted, and get a workbench put there with a vise. So we'll see, hopefully, by the end of this video, this wall is completed.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes. future is now. The future is now. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams. While you were chasing everything else but me, I'm starting to break out from your grave. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. I'm not backing down, 'cause the future is now. Not backing down, 'cause the future is now. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. The future is now.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.